Passion fruit.
Some kind of fruit, yeah. You don't like it, Sharon? Eat it.
Sharon, you gotta finish it. You open it.
I know, Sharon,
이거 눌러 이거.
Well, what did you like the Star Wars Legos
이거요?
up front? The characters?
됐다. 그 다음에 이거
The big ones?
이거 말고
That was pretty
이거
cool.
눌러.
Outside? You know Star Wars?
그 다음에 이거.
I don't like Star Wars, but I like Star Wars Lego.
Wreck-It Ralph. 잠깐 이거.
Yeah.
슈퍼 키리.
Those are really
이거,
cool. See,
이거.
when I was your age, Star Wars
슈퍼
came out.
키리.
And it was in the 70s.
이거 볼래?
That was a big deal. Because it was so advanced with the the graphics and everything they showed. Like, no one had ever seen anything like that before. Then when they showed how they really did it with like these little models and stuff.
이해봐.
Like done in a
이.
black room. But it looked.
이해하지 마봐.
I was so excited.
Star Trek, Star Wars.
야야야.
Star Trek? I didn't like Star Trek. You either like Star Trek or you like Star Wars.
One or other.
Star Trek is TV series.
They had a movie, a couple movies.
Yeah, but it started as a series, a TV series.
Now
Yeah,
they're
William Shatner, man, he's like 90.
Was he the first?
4 or 6 now.
조여?
Was he the first captain?
Captain Kirk.
Who's the bald-headed dude? That came later.
Oh,
You know what I'm talking about?
yeah,
He was third.
he was in the movie.